If you want to hide photos or videos on Samsung Galaxy A17, then here's what you need to do. First of all, we're gonna open our gallery and we can select a photo or photos and videos that you wish to hide. So in my case, I'm gonna press and hold my finger on, let's say, this photo over here, this slow motion video, and perhaps this one over here as well. Now we're gonna tap on more in the bottom right corner, and then we have move to secure folder. So let's go ahead and select this option. Now in my case, I don't have secure folder set up yet, so we're gonna press continue over here, and then continue again in order to grant permissions. And now we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. It will take like a minute or so. After that, you can choose the password that should be used for the secure folder. So you can use pin code, password, or pattern. You can also use biometrics, the fingerprint I mean. And let's go ahead and choose a simple pin code. If your password is easy to guess, then you will see this information, but you can use the simple password anyway. Let's enter the password again in order to confirm. Let's press OK. You can also use your Samsung account in order to be able to reset the password in case you forget it, but we can just also press not allow if you don't want that feature. And let's go ahead and press next. And after that, I believe, yeah, we will move our items to secure folder. Now, in order to find the secure folder and all those hidden files and videos, photos, etc., we can go to the secure folder from the app drawer. Of course, we need to enter our password if you go there for the first time. And here in secure folder, we can find our gallery, and here we can find everything that we moved to that secure folder. If you want to remove something from the secure folder, then you can select these files, tap on more, and then we have move out of secure folder. As a little tip, I can also show you to, for example, go to these three dots where we can find lock and exit in order to make sure that the secure folder is locked. Or you can go to settings, and over here we have auto lock secure folder, where we can choose each time I leave an app. So if you are in secure folder, you don't have to manually lock and exit. You can just simply go back, exit the secure folder, and it will be automatically locked like this. So, and this is how we can find, this is how we can use the secure folder in order to hide our photos and videos. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.